Bienvenue to Worldly Treats with No Meats. Today is a visit to the French African nation of Côte d'Ivoire. Let's go to Le Monde. Côte d'Ivoire is a country in West Africa. It is a small to medium-sized country that borders the Atlantic. As a French-speaking nation with strong ties to modern-day France, the country's official name has remained in French even to this day, and the government insists that the country be known as Côte d'Ivoire, regardless of the language. Historically, the land was once split among tribes, including one Muslim tribe that gained influence from Morocco and Malay. The land was discovered by the Portuguese in 1482 and settled by the French in the mid-17th century. Compared to other nearby lands, Côte d'Ivoire did not suffer as much from the slave trade. France officially colonized the land in the late 1880s. The nation's road to independence began when an Ivorian man named Félix Houphouët-Boigny was elected to the French Parliament. When independence was gained in 1960, Côte d'Ivoire was one of the most prosperous of the former territories of French West Africa. Things were not always good, however, as the country has since suffered a military coup and two grand-scale civil wars. Côte d'Ivoire sits in sub-Saharan Africa, near both the equator and the prime meridian. It has a warm, humid tropical savanna climate. The largest city is Abidjan, while the capital is Yamoussoukro. 23 million people live in the country, split almost evenly among Islamic and Christian religions. For this you will need 1 very ripe avocado, 2 cups cold vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, Tabasco sauce, salt and pepper, and for the garnish, paper-thin slices of lime. Dump the avocado flesh into a blender and puree. Add the stock and continue processing until smooth. Blend in the lime juice, yogurt, Tabasco sauce, and salt and pepper. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. When ready to serve, spoon into bowls, top each with a thin lime slice, and sprinkle with a bit of Tabasco sauce over each portion. That's good. It's got a different flavor than I expected. I guess that's probably the yogurt. Good. Taste the Tabasco. Yeah, no, that's very good.